Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and connecting the TuneBot. This ensures clean data flow. Once done, mount it centered on the head and choose the drum type and diameter so the algorithm uses correct parameters. Make a firm, consistent stroke and let the device capture 3 hits to average pitch and decay. You do this because single strikes can vary. Averaging reduces error. Now you have a reliable baseline pitch to tune against, and you can proceed to tension changes. You now adjust tension in controlled steps while watching the TuneBot readout. This gives immediate feedback on pitch movement and mode clarity. Make quarter turns at each lug in an alternating pattern to keep the head level, and after a pass, strike and capture again so you can compare. Because the device shows waveform and frequency, you can identify when a mode becomes dominant or when crosstalk appears and correct accordingly. Continue refining until the frequency. You finish by making small, precise adjustments to lock in tuning. Use the TuneBot to guide final plus or minus 1-2 Hz changes, and then play across the head to confirm evenness. Once satisfied, check resonance and decay. Apply light damping only if needed to control overtones without killing sustain. If readings become erratic, stop and recalibrate the sensor, swap the battery, or remount the unit to ensure solid contact. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues and preserves accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.